I bought this RX 6950 XT yesterday. It was the second day after its release. I was able to find it on sale close to me for it was on sale for MSRP $1,099. So I went down to pick it up, and I'm really excited about it, and wanted to share the unboxing. I don't have any unboxing videos, so I wanted to try one of those and share that with everyone. I see up here when I bought it, look, we have this price that they have, $20.99. I'm not exactly sure what that's about, but it wasn't listed at that price at all. So I'm wondering if PowerColor was planning early on to release it at that price when the shortage and you know they could take advantage of people at that kind of price, but the market no longer allows that, so clearly they had to drop the price. But yeah, I'm not really sure what that price is about, but anyways, here we go. Tear into it. Set this camera up. I'm really excited about this. The last card I bought was a 6700 XT. 6700 XT, and I was really happy about that because I found it at the height of the shortage, and way overpaid for it. I was a little disappointed with that, but I had an old RX 580 that I was able to trade in, or I was able to sell to recoup some of my losses on that. So that was pretty cool. Let's see here. All right, black box. Let me hide the codes there. So anyways, I sold a RX 580 and recouped about half the cost after I bought the 6700. I listed that, and I ended up getting, like, I think $350 or $400 back on it, and I had paid, like, I don't know, a ridiculous amount for the 6700, but that's been getting me through until now. And then this RX 6950 released on the 10th, and on the 11th I saw some in stock at my local computer store, so I went down there right away and got one. Let's see what we have here. Manual, maybe. I have a QR code on there. I'll check that out later and see what that is. Looks like we have some help for installation. This card is quite long. I'm not really certain that it's going to even fit in my that it's going to fit on my machine. I might end up having to buy a bigger case, but I'll post the process of that when I figure it out, and then I'll post a video of some gameplay for everyone to see. Just cables, cords, da. Looks like it has a support for the looks like it has a is this a support? I'm guessing this is a support for the extended end of it to keep it from sagging. Similar, same thing. I'm assuming that's what it is. I don't know. I'll find out when I get into it. Here it is. PowerColor Red Devil. So here it is. That is a really big card. That is the biggest card I've ever owned. That is certainly the biggest card I have ever bought. The camera doesn't want to hold steady there. So this is pretty cool. Man, that is a big card. I remember the first dedicated graphics card I bought was a HD 7980, an HD 7980, and at that time it was like 10.5 inches long, and it was about, took up 2 slots, and I thought that was just the biggest thing I had ever seen. But wow, that's been a long time ago. We have 3 power inputs, so I'll have to set up. I have to set up a new power input on my my power supply. So anyhow, I guess that's about it. Let's see what happened. I lost my camera, sorry. I guess that's about it. I'll post back and let you know how it goes after install.